All right, Nathaniel, has this, how do you deal with this when it happens at the front counter? A customer comes in and says, I can't afford the repairs on my car, or I can't afford the maintenance on the car.
Just the maintenance or what the car needs?
Repairs and or maintenance.
Okay. That's an extremely valid concern, and I understand.
Does it happen?
It does happen. It happens quite a bit. Now, one thing that they kind of run into is it's not the fact that they don't make enough to afford it. It's the fact that some of the repairs are larger and they either have to save up for it, or it's just not something that they want to spend all at once because they don't want to put themselves in a tough position. So my shop has a 90-day promotion where we can break that down into payments, and it's the same as cash with no interest. So we can pay the same amount over 3 months instead of just paying it all that one day. It's okay if you want to pay it that one day, more power to you. But if you need that little bit of extra assistance, let's spread it out over 3 months, because even if your problem starts here and you need to save up for 3 months, that problem's going to be there in 3 months, and it's going to have a couple of friends now. It's going to have some other little problems that it caused. Now that bill's even higher, and we have to have that much more money instead of, hey, let's just spread the payments out over 3 months using our promotion with our in-house financing, and let's go ahead and take care of the problem before it causes more.